So finally guys, PI second migration is here, and PI network team has provided a roadmap for the PI second migration and the first migration. And also guys, they have shown us they have written a blog. Let's go and see what they have written so that we can come up with a conclusion on how PI second migration will be distributed. MAINET migration roadmap by priorities and explaining PI tokenomics and surprise. So we are going to focus on PI migration. You can read this article in your homepage. So we are going to go. So there is this important part. Here is a roadmap of PI migration work based on the network priorities. So priority number 1, completing initial migration for pioneers in the queue. Currently, the network is completing the first migration for the queue of pioneers, including verified base mining reward, verified security circle reward, lockup reward, and utility app reward, and confirm node. So what it means that the team is completing the first KYC. If you have not completed your first KYC, the first migration, expect your PI to be transferred to or migrated this month, by the end of this month. So these 3 weeks, these 2 weeks that it is remaining, you'll be expecting your PI to be migrated. Now let's continue to the second migration, because if you don't understand this, you won't understand how PI is doing it. So the second migration, including referral bonuses. After the first migration in the current queue are completed, second migration will become the focus. Second migration will also include referral mining bonus attributed to referral team members who passed KYC. Now listen here guys, for the second migration, it indicates clearly that it's about referral bonuses. So many people have not received referral bonuses at all. What we migrated and what we have in transferable is just our PI that we usually mine ourselves. So there is the referral bonuses. That's why you can see those people who have followed 100 people and above have many unverified PI. This is where it will get crazy. Those PI, the people who have done KYC, they will be migrated from unverified to transferable, direct to migrated in the mainnet, to the mainnet. So this is an advantage to the people who are doing referrals, those who influencers who have a lot of huge referrals, and their referrals have done KYC. If you check on mine has a lot of unverified uh, unverified balance. But if you check on verified KYC, I have verified like 70%. I have verified 70% of the 70% have already been verified. So guys, this means that the second migration will include referral bonuses. So if you have invited someone and they have done KYC, now this is your time that you will be migrated your coins. So let's go to the third option, ongoing periodic migration. Finally, PI network will shift into regular periodic migration. So this means that PI will now be migrating coins monthly, or after 2 months, or after 3 months, or Q1, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So it means that if they are going to go with Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, it means that there will be 4 migration per year. If they go with monthly, there will be 12 months per year for migrating PI coin. It will be random, and it will include all your PI bonuses, including referrals, all any reward. So it means that even if you start inviting your friends to join PI now, you will still benefit. And if they do KYC and pass, you will still receive your KYC. Some people will say that mining app will close, but the team have decided to continue with the mining, and until all the 100 billion coins have been migrated. So have you as you have seen, that's how they are going to migrate our coins. Let's go to our PI. So let's discuss what they have said, and also I will discuss about tentative KYC. So they have clearly said that the transferable balance and the migrated balance, they are just your own mining PI through lockups and security rewards, and also just mining. That is what you have in your transferable balance and migrated. Now look at this. The second migration will include the unverified balance. So unverified balance have both verified PI and unverified balance. The reason why I'm saying this is because they have said that the second migration will be about those people who are the referral bonuses that have been verified. Now I have 46 referrals. Those 46 referrals, I think only 12 have not done KYC. So only 12 have not done KYC. So it means that if I divide, most probably I will receive between 60 to 70% of my unverified balance, because a lot of referrals have done KYC. So that's how it works. So if you see many people with unverified balance, know that there are almost half of it. Half of the unverified balance will be migrated. So let's talk about tentative KYC. Do you remember, guys, when PI said that many people have lost their wallet and their migrated wallet or seed phrase? So they came up with this the way of proving that this wallet and this PI belongs to you. So the reason why they came up with this idea is to verify that you are using your own account. You have not bought the account, you have not stolen the account, you have not, because many people lost accounts, and there are many people who are managing different accounts, bot account. So the reason why they are doing that is to verify you are the real um owner of the wallet or the PI account, and also verifying your wallet with using your email. Also verify that you are the owner of that account. What they will do is they will check the email that is verifying the PI app and the email that is verifying the wallet. If that email verifies multiple wallets, that will be a spam or a bot. Or if it had that email include multiple accounts, they may well be deleted. So that's the end of this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, and also, guys, make sure to comment what you think about PI. Also, guys, for the tentative KYC users, you are going to be verified. It was nothing much to do with being delayed to migrate your coins. No, it was just proving that you are the owner of that account. Once you do those verification video, you are going to go. Once the migration start for unverified balance, you are going to be approved. So don't worry about that. Just keep on mining PI and telling your followers to do KYC. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to comment what you think, and make sure to go and read that blog. It is available on your PI dashboard so that you can understand what PI is doing. So have a nice day, and also, guys, like the video so that other people can be able to see this video and share if you think it is helpful. So this is the end of the video. Take care.